Well, hi everybody, and welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are going to be reviewing the compost bin by VEVOR. Now, Scott may receive some compensation for this video. So let's take a look at the compost bin. All right, so this is what it looks like. It took about 45 minutes to put it together. It was fairly easy to put together. Now, I have it back here in the corner, so it will not spin quite as good as it should. I just didn't have the extra room. This is a medium-sized compost bin. And here are the two doors. They just slide out. Now each door slides out, and then in the center there is a little wheel, and this will keep it separated. So you have two compost areas. You have one on this side and one on this side. So what we're going to do is I'm going to be filling my compost bin with some topsoil, so that way I have it as a base for adding the compost. You don't want to add potatoes, you don't want to add any skins of your vegetables in just a regular compost bin. You have to add some green material, and then you also have to have some brown material, which would be some soil. You could use cardboard, shredded cardboard. You don't want to have a wet mess. So what you want to have is some dry along with your wet. So I'm going to go ahead and put some soil in here, and then that way that will be a good foundation for when I add all of my vegetable scraps. Each time that you put some scraps in there, you're going to turn it, and that is what the compost bin from VEVOR looks like. Preferably you want to have it in the hot sun. That will help you with your compost. That will help you break it all down. But it turns really easy. It's very simple to use. You open up the doors and you put your scraps in there, and then in about 3 to 6 months your scraps will turn into compost.